SmartTagIt is an amazing social media platform designed to help construction workers with daily planning conversations. It's a powerful tool that streamlines the job hazard analysis process, making it faster, more efficient, and engaging. With SmartTagIt, you can access this innovative platform through a mobile app or on the web. Traditional paper-based pre-task planning has grown into a time-consuming, draining task. This not only affects productivity, but also dampens the spirit of our workers, and more critically, it doesn't encourage active thinking around workplace safety.
Good morning, guys. Today we'll be roughing in the first floor of the west wing with ductwork. The duct hangers over here in the east wing, we're gonna crew on that. And we got a duct truck coming about 11 o'clock. I want everybody to remember ladder safety for the guys putting up the hangers and lift safety for the guys hanging the duct. All right, guys, this sign's right here. Let's just go to work. Thank you.
Instead of actively supporting their teams on site, our foremen and front leaders find themselves swamped with pre-task paperwork instead of focusing on production. Now, pre-task planning isn't just a task, it's a collaborative movement with everyone's voice being essential in improving safer work practices. By using SmartTagIt, you can transform what used to be a wasted 15 minutes into the most valuable 5 minutes of your day. It encourages meaningful conversation and empowers you to make safer decisions.
Hey, good morning, guys. Here we are, another SmartTagIt app in the heat. So, anybody need any PPE before we get started? How y'all gonna be safe on ladders today?
Having the proper ladder for the job, whether it be a lean safe or a podium ladder, having the right height, make sure we're not overreaching.
Y'all gonna be on lifts today. How y'all gonna be safe? Too late?
Well, we're gonna be on lifts. We're gonna be on a single man and a 2-man scissor lift. Chris is gonna go ahead of us and make sure the hangers are installed ahead of us while me and Landon put up the 24-inch round. Okay. We're gonna be tied off, have our harnesses on. His lift doesn't have
For a work site to thrive, it's essential to have meaningful daily safety planning discussions. And the consensus among our frontline leaders, SmartTagIt paves a smarter, more efficient path.
Anybody got any concerns, any safety hazards y'all seen? Second floor, right here.
SmartTagIt is an extraordinary social media platform that's revolutionizing safety briefings and job hazard analysis for construction workers.
All the columns in here, the pits are open, and it's about 12, 14 inches, down to the bolts and all. Hey, pay attention when you're walking or trying to tote something. You might get tripped and fall over in the pit or something.
Electricians' receptacles that are in the floor. They're raised up off the
With SmartTagIt at the helm, Southern Air leaders can effectively energize their crews, fostering a spirit of active participation in daily safety discussions.
Have a safe day, and thank y'all.